we had a great season, but before anything, we have some exciting news. It is possible that we'll get a second round next year. It's possible.
Woo!
So, which will mean that we will potentially have two teams. Okay. So now having two teams means it's a challenge. It's a good thing in a way because some people were saying that we are really good and they are, and they didn't get enough games. Okay. The problem with that is that we are very thin roster, as we saw with the Indians and Patriots. We had to get a lot of players outside to kind of make the 11. Okay. So I do not know right now if we can make that call to have two teams and get the second round with two teams in mind. Okay. So we will have a survey out soon. We'll figure out if we have the potential to make two teams. Then only we'll try to get two grounds. Otherwise, we'll stay with one ground, one team. Okay. But if you believe that you are really, really good and you want to play, okay, we will have a survey coming out. Sign up and say that we want to play. Okay, and we are committed to the season.
Yes.
To play
Very
so many
important.
games.
Important is commitment. Just not sign
To
up.
play so many games.
सब लोगों के लिए ऑफर ओपन है तो बाहर के आ सकते हैं हमारी टीम
हाँ,
में वेलकम टू एनसीएल इंडियन आसिफ भाई
आसिफ भाई, चंदन, शशि.
मैं पहले तैयार हूँ.
खिलाफ क्या बॉलिंग करी यार उन्होंने.
एनी टाइम
I think you should play.
एंड जैक पटेल आई टोल्ड हिम टू प्ले बट ही
भाई मैं तैयार हूँ.
Seriously,
Actually-
best bowling.
एक्चुअली जतिन को हम लोग अंपायर अपने साइड से देते
तो हर एक you're welcome to join our team. In that case, अगर हमें मिलते हैं उतने लोग तो we'll have two teams next year. Okay. So that's the first part. But सबसे पहले you can only think of two teams if you have one team and that does good. And we did the best we could, and the best was we actually won the championship. So as usual, our standing captain, Mr. Sameer Sayed, he forgot to bring the Champions Trophy. But we will have Sameer come here.
मारो
and
मारो
he-
उसको.
नहीं, but he's a replica of the Champions Trophy. So ये
कैप्टन स्पीच
yeah.
अरे ट्रॉफी थोड़ी फिट
मैं
नहीं थी.
कमेंट्री कर सकता हूँ स्पीच दे सकता
तो वाकई में
पानी भरिए बहुत.
तो हर एक ने had to do, like a lot of people had to do a lot of exceptional things. Some people didn't do exceptional things, but we know they have the potential to do exceptional things. Like I know Shaival, for example. हम लोग हमेशा बात करते हैं Shaival की बैटिंग की बात करते हैं, you know, निमय की बैटिंग की बात करते हैं, you know, ईशान के पोटेंशियल और हार्ड हिटिंग और इसकी बॉलिंग की बात करते हैं, इसका जो पावर है. तरंग की बात करते हैं कि इसमें इसका शोल्डर कितना स्ट्रांग है. एवरीबडी वी टॉक अबाउट इन वेरी पॉजिटिव वेज, राइट. और शायद इस साल नहीं उतना मौका मिला, सो देयर इज नो अवार्ड फॉर सम ऑफ you, but it doesn't mean that you are not the best. Believe me, we all have not only the best 11, but we are the best 22. Okay, and that's why we are thinking about two teams. Okay, so let's acknowledge before we get into other people speaking. तो कुछ awards बोलते हैं. तो सबसे बड़ी गेम होती है फाइनल, एंड द फाइनल में जो सही बंदा है, जो उसने सबसे ज़्यादा सीजन में MSCL Pro 40 में रन बनाए, और वो तभी उसने बनाया जब उसने फाइनल में सेंचुरी बनाई. ओके, और व्हाट अ नॉक इट वाज, व्हाट अ नॉक इट वाज. वहाँ पे हर मैच में मैं 5, 10 ओवर, 15 ओवर तक खेला, और वो फाइनल मैच था और मैं जल्दी आउट हो गया. एंड आई वाज काइंड ऑफ रियली बहुत गंदा लग रहा था मुझे कि दैट इन द गेम दैट मैटर्ड आई जस्ट गॉट आउट, एंड नाउ स्विंग होगा, कुछ होगा.
I don't think we have it.
बट ये गया, नॉट ओनली स्विंग छोड़ो यार, द वे ही स्ट्रोक्ड द बॉल एंड द वे ही गॉट दैट 100, एक के बाद एक शॉट पे मिड विकेट पे कहीं पे, दैट नॉक वाज अमेजिंग, एंड दैट मेड
सुबह हमने प्रैक्टिस दी थी उस दिन उसको.
he was
Yeah,
the
thank you,
highest
Jack.
scorer for the season
Credit goes to Jack Patel.
for MCL Indians. He scored more than 300 runs and he scored a century in the finals. That is Ashish Tripathi. नंबर है इसका?
नहीं मिली इसकी
स्पीच
स्विच.
अशोक. स्पेस
फोटो ले लो यार, किसी ने फोटो ले लो.
हाँ चालू है, वीडियो चालू है.
वीडियो
चालू है.
फोटो नहीं चाहिए.
फोटो भी ले लो यार.
फोटो उसी में क्लिक कर सकते हैं.
इवन यू कम सर.
Oh, that's a new Google phone. Okay.
थोड़ा पेट कर छाड़ दे ऊपर कर.
ये
हट जा रोहित, रुक जा.
तू इसलिए छोड़ रहा था, इसका पेट देख रहा था.
Thank you guys.
That's for Ashish guys. Clap for Shabash.
कुछ कहा नहीं तुमने?
So one player who is deeply passionate, okay, and तो अगर उसका बस चले तो मेरे से वो झगड़ा कर ले और इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ा पता ये I have to kind of balance it in a very difficult circumstance कि एक साइड से वो मेरे को कुछ ऐसा बोलता है कि मैं मतलब मैं बिल्कुल ज़मीन में आ जाता हूँ कि यार ऐसा इसने मेरे को बोल दिया how can I just respect him so much, I love him so much after that.
Oh, that way.
और
You thought,
दूसरे-
how like, I
सब
can't
लोग को
tolerate
बोलना
him
चाहिए
anymore.
और दूसरे
I thought you were going to say, I can't tolerate him anymore.
नहीं और दूसरे भी ये झगड़ा तो करने को तैयार रहता है तो बट लेकिन इसके बिना कोई टीम नहीं है और ये हमारी जान है और हमारी शान भी है और
हमारा खाना भी है
और हमारा गुस्सा भी है
और हमारा नंबर 1 बॉलर भी है और इसने नॉट हमारा नंबर 1 बॉल है पूरे लीग का नंबर 1 बॉलर का ट्रॉफी जीता इसने
Oh, wow.
और इसने लीग में सबसे ज्यादा विकेट लिए और वो है उसका नाम हमारा जैक खुराना
None other than.
ब्यूटी
अभी थोड़ा झगड़ा करके दिखाओ
Arun, come
इधर
here.
इधर इधर
दे दो एक डेमो दे दो
अरुण जी थोड़ा इधर ऑफिशियल बॉक्स आ रहा है
सुमेर इधर आ जा.
यहाँ बॉक्स
सुमेर इधर आ जा.
नंबर 3 का
अभी बॉक्स नहीं लाना
नहीं आ रहा है इसलिए हटा दिया वो
हाँ यार वो डब्बा है.
या पोर्टेबल वाला
पहले देख लो
Wait, this side, eh? Because we have the box there behind.
अरे चक्री सुमेर यू आल्सो वेयर द सेम हैट ना
नहीं वो हमारे बाद आएगा
सुमेर इधर देख सुमेर.
उसको उम्मीद है उसको भी मिलेगा
उसको पता है उसके बिना जाएगा नहीं
Thank you guys.
बहुत मेहनत की
speech.
मेरे बगैर ट्रॉफी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कम
बोलो तो सही. ये भी भाग के आ गया तुम भी भाग के आ रहे
हम लोग स्पीच देंगे बाद में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे हम
अच्छा कई बार क्या होता है like a lot of times what happens is
अच्छा, आ जाओ.
there's a bowler who does amazingly well okay और लेकिन आप stats देखते हो या wickets column देखते हो you never see the impact that bowler had okay and you never see in the stats column the impact that batsman had or that player had one of the reasons why we won the championship is that we had one
इधर आ जा.
Mr. Consistent okay
Yep.
who was amazing at the top of the bowling order and he was our most economical bowler by not only am I saying that but by numbers prove that
yep
so he just gave about 3 runs an over and because he was able to hold up one end and not give enough runs to the opposition the people at the other end kept taking wickets because at some point in time they had to take the charge so the other side as always happens if one guy holds up one end the other guy will take the wickets but that doesn't mean the guy who's holding up one end is a lesser bowler
Yep.
so he's our number 1 bowler he starts the inning bowling okay and there's a reason why he does that okay and not only he's a star bowler but some of the catches that he has taken are I think really international class. I've seen them
Yep.
in IPL and you'll see top 10 catches and then
one of
you
the
see those
fastest fielder
yeah
One of the fastest.
yeah and that's
And
that's yeah
those catches were on the semi-finals which were most required like the
Yeah.
thing
yeah and that person I don't know if you have to guess it but that's
I can guess it
and he's only 15 years old
उसके नंबर ही बोल रहे हैं
number दिया नहीं है that's why the caps are not there because they didn't ask for it.
Arun, he wanted you to talk about his batting
no I won't next season
so I can tell you right he has the best bat in the team
भैया बैटिंग में जरा उसको लास्ट ईयर की एक मेरी बॉल याद दिला
Okay, this side.
he is under pressure from my dad
जैक आजा
गुड वन रोहित तू अपना बैट दे दे किसी को अभी you are the best bowler
So there's couple of people who are not here. I really want to talk about them, but we'll talk about them later because they're not here. So we'll talk about them later.
Yeah.
But there's one guy whose bowling we saw today, like truly exceptional, and some big hitters and big batsmen from the opposing team could not really touch his bowling. When he is on song, he's a magician. Okay.
magician Jojo
And that's why you call him Swing Master Jojo, the magician. Jojo. That's Jojo. Jojo gets he got the most wickets in the Afghan T20. Yeah.
even the winning team
Yeah. He got against one Division 1 team. He picked up 4 wickets in one game, 2 wickets in another game. He was unplayable. So it's not that he picked up wickets against like some minnows. Like a lot of people will pick up wickets against some team and they get them 30 all out. No, he
उस
picked,
4 की विटनेस मैं हूँ. मेरे को 15 मैसेज आए थे. अक्सर मैंने 4 विकेट लिए उनका. I was so happy.
okay, not only that,
He deserve
he
it.
also provides tremendous
He is the best
leadership
swing bowler.
to our organization.
When he is strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Obviously he's captained our team many times. He provides leadership in organization, and that's Chakri Jalal. And that's his cap.
Sir, today's winning captain. Today's winning captain भी है.
Courtesy winning.
सेकंड मैच विनिंग कैप्टन.
Thank you guys.
अरे उधर ही मत रख.
उधर मत रखो. नीचे रख दो.
Okay, there's one person like sometimes, again, I talk about stats. Stats are not always an indicator. But when he is not in the team, somehow you feel something is missing. And there's a component which is missing, right? And we become insecure. And that happened in one key game, that he wasn't there and we lost a couple of wickets. And then we didn't feel confident about scoring a lot of runs. I don't know. There's that element, there's the dynamic in a team. So that bowler, that person, you know, sometimes when he's batting or he's playing, you feel, oh my, we can get any target. Okay, and then when you feel that okay, we are not able to control from the bowling department, he'll come in and pitch in and get something happening for you. All right, he's electric in the field. He is very fast, running between the wickets. He's very sharp in the outfield. But only one, I shouldn't mention any complaints right now, but we have one complaint that he doesn't socialize much. So right after the game, he's the first one to exit. But today he's staying here with us, which is a big deal. We love that. We love to spend time with you socially as well, besides just being on the field. So like I mentioned to you, he's a great all-rounding talent for our team. Batting, bowling, fielding. What do you call 360 player?
Yep.
He's better than Vivek Shankar. What is his name? Shankar.
Vijay Shankar.
हार्दिक पांड्या.
Huh?
नहीं वो थोड़ा लंबा है. ये हमारा लिटिल मास्टर है.
सचिन बोल.
ये लिटिल मास्टर है.
So,
Yeah.
and we really count on him for many things. He's an opening batsman. He comes at 3 down sometimes, 1 down, whatever. But mostly opening. And then whenever we need to pick up a wicket, he'll come in and pick up that wicket. And a great fielder, Aniket Gatre. Couple of games, really important knocks, especially in the finals. His partnership with Asha.
Yeah, he was partner in crime.
The other team actually gave up. I knew their whole body language. They started drinking within the game. They just gave up completely. So that partnership in a final match was really key. And then when we were getting tired and they were not trying to stroke the ball and they were just trying to hang in there, he just came in and finished with his bowling, got a few wickets, ended the game right there. That's Aniket.
Niket.
Take note.
Thank you guys.
There is a few people who did really well overall. Yash isn't here, Bishik isn't here, and then there's one guy who's here. We see the potential in him, and we know and we really will him to perform because we are so. We see the potential in him so much. So when he disappoints, we criticize him hell of a lot. Okay? Sometimes he gets upset, but sometimes he just says, "मेरे को बताओ क्या करना है? मेरे को बताओ क्या करना है?" And he has the strongest shoulder of all over here. When he throws the ball from the boundary, he said, "Don't throw it so hard." When he throws it from the boundary,
भाई हमारे उंगलियां तोड़ना नहीं है.
तोड़ना नहीं है. इतना जोर से मत फेंक. तो obviously वो bowling भी डालता है तो बहुत तेज डालता है. Or from where he started the season, when he was spraying the ball all around, today is not an indicator, but in crucial games, he's probably our most improved bowler from where he started, and a great rocket armer.
That's why we made him included in the MCL team for the T20 squad, because we need that kind of a pace, and he did his job with his beautiful pacing Yorkers in some games, and we always love him.
Yeah, he just has to be more
Tarang.
consistent. Yeah,
Tarang.
just थोड़ा consistency. He's अगले साल ये सारी teams को उड़ा देगा.
14 भी नहीं है, I think. वो दे दो.
Tarang Patel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Uh,
आजा ना, Jack.
So we're trying to keep it short.
Jack,
short.
Aja.
There are some people who played innings, which that changed our inning. Okay, that changed the match for us. Jack, इधर आ. दारू बाद में पिएगा.
रिकॉर्ड बताने की बात है मैं तो आराम से बात कर रहा हूं
So there are some people who played innings which changed the game for us, and that gave us a lot of confidence in our batting lineup. Okay, because a lot of times what happens is when the person goes up to bat in the middle, when you're up the order or you go 2-3 down, so you're trying to block too much or you're too afraid to play. And the only reason you're afraid to play is because you don't know who's behind you. Like, hey, what happens if there's a collapse? Will we score? So you become a little defensive. But the people, like when you play locks like that, you know that you don't have to be afraid. Okay, there is enough batting and people who are better than you who are going to follow you. Okay, so your job is to go up there and play positive. Okay, score a few runs. Okay, and push the bowling to kind of know that these guys are good and they're not afraid of us. All right, and that privilege is allowed to in this year. The people who opened, sometimes I opened, Aniket opened, and Sumer opened. That privilege was allowed to us only by the batsmen who were to follow. Okay, who were really, really great. And in this year, and some of them got knocks, 40 plus knocks, which actually impacted games. Dhruv is unfortunately not here because he had an injury, but two people are here, Ashwin and Nimai. So Nimai in one game when our whole order had collapsed, so we needed somebody to kind of stay there. Yeah. That game was with Cavaliers. No, with the young Hoshala. Youngster. They were swinging the ball nicely, and he stayed there and he finished the game, and that's when he came out, and that gave us one win. So
I always love to watch his straight drives and cover drives.
Game changing inning.
He's a real brilliant wicket keeper for us.
And today he also had one side.
क्योंकि अवार्ड भी इंग्लिश में है ना.
बहुत सारे इंग्लिश में.
अश्विन नंबर क्या है तेरा
all of us try for that lazy elegance in batting कि ऐसे जाओ और ऐसे मारो और पता लगा बॉल बाउंड्री के बाहर कवर एक्स्ट्रा कवर के बाद
best in the cover drive I ever seen in the whole league.
Yeah, नहीं
Best cover drive. He's a very good cover drive. You give him the full ball, he cover drive you like you watching the
Jack इधर Jack. Good job.
दारू के बाद ऐसे कर रहा था दारू के बाद
Thank you.
सरी बड़ा है
Late elegance in the bowling, fielding, and batting.
yeah
and running
And running.
Bowling नहीं.
बॉलिंग की कोई नाम नहीं लेगा ये रनिंग में खाली मैसी था
अभी फिर से bowling नहीं बोलेगा.
No, in the Jack bhai, in the fielding, someone has to tell, like, okay, Ashwin bhag.
but I hope we are recording, so we'll share with them.
Yeah. Who?
But there's okay. But before you talk about the people who are not here with us today, they couldn't make it for this game.
Yeah, we'll record separately then.
Yeah, okay. But let's talk about the person who's here. And this is a guy, and when I say that, you'll know who I'm talking about. He drives 1.5 hours
Ooh.
for every game. Okay. and he moved to Springfield because of his marriage and his wife's job and his own workplace. And he plays cricket there as well. But his shows up for the games, can't unfortunately shows up for practices, and we value him hell of a lot. Okay, hell of a lot. Okay, him and Anish. Anish we can never forget, and Anish and Praveen's partnership we can never forget.
Yeah.
They were those two young 20 something year olds.
Hey, all are young.
No, these two. I'm just
I'll censor this. I'll censor this.
And we're so much in love with them. We're so much in love with Praveen. Anish unfortunately isn't here. He's in India, and maybe he'll come here and then join us again. But Praveen, he had a very, very important knock in a very crucial game, a near 50. Okay, and obviously he's an all-rounder. His fielding is electric. He's a good wicket keeper. He's a good batsman.
And
And
the catch.
catches.
And the catch.
There was one catch, or not just one catch, but I'll talk about one catch he took.
Bangladesh.
Against Bangladesh. And it was, that guy hit the ball, and this was going to be a flat six. You had
And then
those-
he thought it's six.
Yeah, he thought it's six. Flat six. Hard flat six.
Everybody thought that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
flat
six.
And it was so hard hit, and it was going flat, as I say. And the boundary, he jumps,
like
and
a
the
Superman.
timing, it's like Superman. He's high in the air, one hand, and just grabs the ball. And that batsman is shocked, and we're shocked. And actually, poor guy's out, and that changed the game for us.
Yeah.
You know, there are moments that, unfortunately, we had got a lot of runs, but we do it casually, and they were kind of on course scoring that many runs, more than 200 runs. But that catch changed the game, and we won it, and that's Praveen. And almost a 50 in a big game. Well done, job, man.
Alright.
I don't know why some people didn't put their numbers in the numbers in the spreadsheet for the caps. That's why some caps don't have a number. एक बंदा है जो सबसे कम इम्पोर्टेंट है टीम के लिए.
सबसे चालाक है. I don't want to use that
हाँ.
word. HA. ठीक है, कोड वर्ड यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं.
HAMAB.
CHU भी है. आगे अपने आप जोड़ लेना. ठीक है, बट हमारे दिल की जान है.
दिल की जान है.
वो है तो टीम
टीम
है.
है.
वो नहीं है तो टीम नहीं है.
टीम नहीं है.
If he is not there, I resign next day. MCL Indian.
इसको निकालो अभी.
मेरे साथ आएगा वो पीछे पीछे.
नहीं वो नहीं आएगा.
डील है.
आशो आजा.
तो इसका जो है the most 50s, the most fielding dismissals, the most man of the match awards, and man of the match in a very critical semi-final game. And always puts in his best in the field. Long on से long on भागेगा कैच पकड़ने के लिए. मैंने इसको कभी कैच ड्रॉप करते नहीं देखा, कभी नहीं देखा. इस साल देखा unfortunately.
क्वार्टर फाइनल.
हाँ, इस साल देखा और that was I don't know क्या हुआ.
अपडेट कर दो प्रो 40 में नहीं देना.
So, yeah, but he has lazy style to catch the ball. तो आदमी सोचता है कि he doesn't move. The ball is coming to the boundary and you're saying it's moving, and but Sumer is not moving. You say, अरे ये तो सुमेर मूव नहीं कर रहा
And
है.
every team wants to get him out
Get
as
him
soon
out.
as he get
Get
to
him
bat
out.
because he know he can change the game in 5 overs.
तो सुमेर वहाँ पे
How
खड़ा
good a
है
batsman he is.
and the ball is moving, and then you think he's not going to make it, and then at the last moment he is there and he's taking the catch comfortably.
And the cleanest hitter of the ball.
Yeah, cleanest hit of the ball. So I don't know how he takes those catches because he actually judges the ball. He is watching the ball. He gets the trajectory right, and when he knows where the ball is going to come, he is there at the right place and he gets it with safe hands.
That is.
And when he hits sixes, they stay hit.
Yeah.
Like I mean, power play, no power play. When the boundaries come, they go into the bushes, they go into the toilet bins, they go into like wherever.
They go everywhere.
Yeah. When he hit that 80 in 36 balls against Lagan,
Yeah.
they were afraid. Like
Correct.
literally, they were falling apart, and they thought the game was gone. They had scored 211 runs. They thought we're going to win this game, and then he had got 80 runs, and they were saying, "Oh, we have lost this game." Unfortunately, he got out on a soft shot, but he can change the game in a matter of 2-3 overs.
Any day, any time.
Any day, any time.
Yeah.
And not only that, he gives a lot of love and respect, and that matters a lot. Okay, because in the end, what do we play for, right? I mean, I'm not. Me personally, I'm not going to be a professional. I'm not going to make anything out of this, right? It's just you enjoy the game, but you enjoy the camaraderie of the people who are with you, and he makes it worth it. You know, when the kind of love he gives, the kind of respect he gives. One day, like, you know, I'll go and I'll.
And he is the best biryani
Yeah,
chef.
biryani, the best
नहीं
biryani.
खिलाता
खाई नहीं है किसी
You never get a chance. Only some people. I'm one of them.
Some lamb soup,
Alright.
biryani. That's Sumer Sayyed.
All
You should-
right.
You should give him biryani award.
Perfect timing there.
Number क्या है इसका? 25.
He missed 45.
25 है. 25.
अरुण जी
अच्छा,
चलो चलो हेड ले.
Good job, boy.
So we have some people like Twinot with us. Yash Patel, who had the most wicketkeeper dismissals in the league. Obviously, he's a really sharp wicketkeeper. Nimai kept, even when Yash was playing, so obviously Nimai is a great keeper. But Yash is something totally extraordinary, and a great batsman. When he hits, he doesn't seem like he's like well built or a very muscular guy.
But his cover drive sixes are amazing.
Cover drives and when he goes to the leg side and pulls and crosses the boundary, those shots are out of the world. Okay, unfortunately he didn't get too many 50s this year, but I'm sure that next year he'll get not only 50s but hundreds, and had the most wicketkeeper dismissals. That was Yash Patel. We have an award for him. Yash Patel. We have an award for Bishik. Bishik Inani. He took a 5-4 in a game. And that helped us to win that game. Took 5 wickets in the game, and he also had the most wickets in that Acton T20 for us. Bishik Inani. Yeah, and then I mentioned Drusha isn't here because he's injured, and then Harshit Verma isn't here today. He's again an outstanding fielder. We know he has potential as a batsman also, but there are 2 or 3 catches he took, one against the Blizzards and a couple of other Bangladesh. Those catches actually, when you look at the impact on the game, they actually change the game and make you win that game, right? Outstanding fielder, a very, very elegant top order batsman, and I'm sure next year he's going to be a huge performer. That's Harshit. And Vishwas, he's occupied personal issues, but before the last 1 month, 1.5 months, there are many games he would just come, okay, I'll help and be the 12th man, okay? Or he would come in at 6 or 7 down, and we had 8 overs left, and he would score more than a run a ball, 15, 20, okay? And he runs, he converts 1s into 2s, 2s into 3s, and 2s into 4s also.
He's like a Mohammad Kaif of our team.
Yeah.
He runs like everything.
Runs, and he protects the boundary. Nothing escapes him. And then when he runs between the wickets, he frustrates the bowling. I've seen when there was not even a single, and the opposite team in 2-3 overthrows gave 4 or 5 runs in that one single ball. He is amazing, and he's the spirit of the team. Like for example, making sure that everybody is here, picking up cones, making sure we are on time. You know, just setting up the ground, and then doing all of that, and then delivering in the middle. Okay, be his bowling, be his batting, be his fielding, and without being selfish. See, eventually, all of us end up a little bit selfish. Okay, and then as a captain, somebody who is the captain on that day, as leaders of the team, we try to make sure that selfishness is not with one person, right? So that there is no, everybody gets enough chances, right? You try to make sure of that, right? But he doesn't question anything, okay? And then obviously you have to take care to protect him. When you have a person like that in a team, you have to protect that person and make sure that he gets those chances, okay? And whenever he is called upon, he's amazingly well. I cannot speak enough for Vishwas. I wish he was here. We would hug him, but he's not here today. But Vishwas is that person, and that concludes our prize ceremony. So we are on to food and drinks now, and hopefully next year we'll see if we can have 2 teams. If we can, we'll have 2 teams. And thank you so much, guys.
No.
And one other thing. We have Chandan,
Jack,
Sashi, Jatin,
Shiva.
Shiva is not here. And then we have a few other people, Mukesh, who are our big supporters. Jack, Vaibhav, and
Everyone.
Okay, guys,
Everyone.
So when
we are MCL Indians because he's here. He made it. We all tennis ball player. All credit goes to Mr. Arun Kaul.
All right.
Okay, where we are standing, he put all the efforts. He's encouraged everybody in this age. He get fit. Is you see and is encourage you to get fit because you say, oh, if he can do, I can do it, right? So he inspired everybody. Just if he's here, MCL Indian is here.
he's the backbone.
He's the backbone, front bone, any bone you can call. He's the whole body of MCL Indian.
There is couple of
Without any selfishness.
Yeah, no.
He do everything. You know,
Lot of
for
contribution.
everybody, lot of contribution. Even we cannot enough thanks. Thanks is not enough.
He is actually team's trophy.
That's it.
Guys, I want to add some more things. Like 3 years back, Arun sir told me, hey Sumer, I'm gonna form a team. So I wasn't thinking like there will be a team. So everybody, if there will be a no Sumer if no Arun sir, there will be a no Jack if no Arun sir, there will be a no Rohit if no Arun sir.
Correct.
There will be a no Chakri, no
MCL.
Ashish, nothing.
Basically,
There will be a no
our
MCL
last
Indian
name
if
is
there
Arun
is no
sir.
Arun sir. He is the founder of the team. He makes that.
No.
And you guys never know what the things he bears behind the scene.
Behind the scene,
like
yeah.
arranging the grounds, talking to the players, and talking to the fields, talking to the townships and leasing people. There is lot of efforts he do behind the scenes, and we don't know. And he hide everything from the team because he doesn't want to pressure all give the attention to our team. He takes all by himself.
On top of that, he spends lot of money, okay, to run these games, to pay for the ground. Like he's never afraid of
And
saying that.
he
Yeah.
just chip in from his pocket
Correct.
and don't tell
Don't tell. Yeah.
us.
He's our trophy.
Any thanks. This is our trophy. That's our trophy. That's it.
The MCL club defined as Arun sir.
Arun sir.
Guys, come on MCL guys, come on, शाबाश, सब आ जाओ यार, सब आ जाओ. अबे मेरे हाथ.
MCL मत छोड़. जाएग MCL में ही है.
आगे भी आ
सबसे
जाओ.
ज्यादा टी-शर्ट तो यही पहनता है. MCL की. टेनिस वालों में पहन के. पूरे पैसे वसूल कर रहा है तो.
थोड़ा सा squeeze in.
Squeeze in.
Yes.
Adjust नहीं हो रहा है.
सब vaccinated हो ना.
Go MCL! There is one more guy. He never plays, but he always there for MCL Indians.
Always.
He
Always
plays
there.
tennis ball games with this shirt.
He is
With
our
this
brand
shirt.
ambassador.
With brand
Jack Patel.
Thank you guys. Thank you for all your love. Yeah.